How can the media evaluate a product they hope they never have to use? To find out, we brought 8 media professionals, writers, content creators, and competitive shooters to Gun Talk's range-ready facility, where they faced real-world self-defense scenarios designed to challenge their judgment, skills, and assumptions. Follow them through intense, reality-based scenarios where the stakes and the lessons feel real. In the second scenario, our media professionals are employees at a local gun range and are the last ones working. They are finishing up cleaning the range when they run into a customer at closing time, forcing them to assess the threat. After each reaction plays out, they head to the classroom where CCW Safe's Chris Cunningham, drawing on her homicide detective experience, and co-founder Mike Darter, recalling from his experience as a law enforcement officer, does a breakdown on what happened.
Roll, safety gear up!
Hey, what's up, man?
Hey, what are you doing here?
You guys have a,
Back up. Get out of here. You're not supposed to be here. It's private property. Get the f out of here.
Is there anybody else that can
Get the f out of here, bro.
Okay.
Get the f out of here. I'm calling the police. Get out of here. Get out of here.
Wrong? You're not even from here, man. You're open this shooting range. You
Oh,
won't let
no.
anybody shoot here. What the
Back up, dude. Back up.
I see how it is. Crazy gun people, man. Pulling guns on people. I'm gonna call the cops. How's it going, man?
How you doing, brother?
You guys have a shooting range here?
No, it's back around that way.
I'd like to go see all the cool stuff y'all have.
Hey, I'm afraid we can't do it tonight, though.
How many guns y'all got inside?
None.
What?
No,
Come on,
keep
that's
everything
not.
outside.
You're lying.
No, seriously, we keep everything outside.
Really?
Yeah. Let's roll out. We'll talk outside.
All right. Well, look, I'd love to go. I'd love to see what y'all got. Y'all have a lot of like guns and stuff.
Don't move.
Man.
Don't move.
Why the f did you shoot me, man?
Don't move.
Yo. Oh, hey, man. How's it going? You guys
What's up,
got a
dude?
shooting range?
No, I don't know anything about it. The range?
Didn't y'all open a shooting range or something?
Oh yeah, it's around the corner. You can go back there and you can that door right there.
So we can shoot there?
Yeah, you can go in and talk to people.
Really?
Yeah, but you can come back tomorrow.
Wait, this used to be a slaughterhouse, right?
Yeah, it's pretty cool,
That's
huh?
awesome, dude. Can we
Yeah.
go inside and see the guns?
Nah, not today. Tomorrow.
Really?
Here, walk out with me.
Because y'all have the cool stuff, right?
You can do it tomorrow, bro.
Look, let's go inside, though.
Nah, dude.
Yeah,
All
let's
right,
go inside.
good.
Come on. Yeah.
What? You gonna shoot me? Put the gun up. Put your hands up. Put your hands up, bro.
Hello. Hey, what's up?
Hi, how
You guys have a shooting range here?
Yeah, we do. Why don't you go ask for the...
What's that?
There's an open door. You can ask them for help.
So you guys have all the cool guns and stuff?
I don't know. I just work here. I just need clothes.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Look, we're going inside.
No, we're not going inside. Please stop.
What the
Thank
f***
you.
girl with a gun, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Come on.
I'm going to call the police. Someone is going to be right around the corner in 2 minutes.
What are you gonna do? I got a gun too.
Okay.
Look, they told me I gotta come over here and see these guns.
No, stay where you are.
All right. I'll be back.
What are you doing?
Hey, how's it going?
Hi.
Y'all.
You should have Hey, what are you doing? Go back that way. Turn around.
Are you the only one here though?
Listen, get out. I'm counting. Start moving. Yeah, come back in business hours and don't sneak up on a woman. Start walking. Back to the road. Back to the
Y'all come
road.
inside and see?
Hey, back to the road.
Hello. Hey, how's it going?
Good, how are
You guys have a
you?
shooting range?
I'm sorry?
You guys have a shooting range? I heard y'all have a shooting range.
Yeah, we did. You step right back out that way.
Can we go see them?
I can make a call. See, maybe.
Well, look, I mean, I'd like to go in now.
No, you need to go to your car.
No, you're gonna come with me, we're going in.
No, that's not happening.
Look, go inside.
Go. I'm calling 911.
Hey, how's it going?
What are you doing?
You guys have a range here, huh? Can people shoot you and stuff?
Yeah, but we're not open right now. I need you to leave.
Well, I know, but I was like, I wanted to see the cool stuff.
Yeah,
You guys have
I'm
the
not
cool
going to
stuff.
show you. I need you to get the out of here right now.
Well, I'd like to go inside.
Don't come any closer.
I'd like to go inside.
Don't.
Hey, how's it going, man?
How's it going?
How's it going? You're that guy from YouTube, right?
Yes, sir.
That's awesome. Look, I just want to go see it. Like,
Tomorrow.
we can go inside. You like, you all get tours and
Tomorrow.
stuff? All right, let's go inside. Let's go inside.
No, we're not gonna go.
Oh, you got a gun? You're a gun guy?
Yeah, I'm a gun
I got a
guy.
gun too.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Hey, come on now. One more step.
What?
Hey, dude.
No, let's go inside though.
It's all right.
Is that even loaded though?
Would you like to find out?
No, man, I'm good. Are you for real?
I'm for real.
All right. That's all right. F you.
Yeah, you too, bro.
I'm only going to say a couple of things, then I'm going to let Chris do it. All right, be cautious about getting too close to people.
Yeah.
All right, I'm a man too. Like the men got closer than most of the ladies. Some of the ladies got not too close. I don't care for when I get close to somebody is having a gun out when I'm that close because I don't want to get disarmed. Even if he's not armed, I don't want somebody to grab that gun. The other thing I'll say about this is that there was a great position of advantage, a position of cover back there.
The corner.
The corner.
This is going to come from my homicide investigator days, okay? My question to you in that interview is going to be, when did you perceive a threat? You don't see a threat until he pulls the gun with the way he was acting?
Well, now thinking back now I do, so
Okay.
I was overthinking the whole thing.
You've got to remember, okay? You can take whatever actions you take, and Becky did the same thing. You articulate why you did what you did. You can't think about telling them a story that's going to make sense so you don't get in trouble. You did what you did for a reason. What you need to be thinking and what you need to be training is, when I perceive a threat, I am entitled and allowed and have the right to defend myself. If you're going to make that decision and you're going to draw that gun, we're not pointing it at their feet. Because now you have to explain, well, they were a threat, but I didn't need to point my gun at them. Right?
That's
So
a huge training
we're
to start.
selling that. When that comes out, it's going on target. And if I have to use it, I'm already there. I'm not over here looking here and pointing it here or looking here and pointing it here. I am on target and I am ready to use it. Because that does two things. That puts you in engagement mode and your brain is now functioning like that, and it puts them on point. It's a lot easier to talk to somebody when they're doing this, hey, I need you to leave, than to make your point and say, get the f*** out of my building right now.
Yeah.
Okay? And Julie, you can stay. I don't know. Do you see the difference?
Yeah, yes.
And some of you all, guys and gals, used your voices very effectively. If you are at a point where they are not to be there, I don't care if you're irritated or not, okay? There's a thing in law enforcement that you have command bearing. If he comes in and the whole point was friendly psycho, I want him to be smiley and friendly and then just throw out a few things that, if we're paying attention to what they're saying, that's not cool, okay? And that brings you on. That's the minute you engage. The minute you're uncomfortable, take charge. Use your voice and use your own presence. And you can still use that presence from behind cover, right? You can still engage and use that voice and you mean business. Just because you're behind something doesn't mean you're weak, right? Doesn't mean you have to back down.
Now, while citizens can't make you, they can ask you, or you can ask them and you can tell them, and just like she said, that is your articulation. That is your articulation to building up that kind of, we're talking also about removing the ambiguity of the situation. All that is giving you articulation to when police do need to be called, you have it. I asked him, I told him I felt threatened when I asked him, I told him I still felt threatened, so I acted.
Clue number one out there, that this guy was not a good person, was not capable of proper thought, was that he kept closing the distance no matter what anybody said. Stay back. And he kept coming closer. You had your gun out, and he didn't automatically leave and say, whoa, 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 man, I'm not here for that problem. Because what would a normal person do? Probably say, oh, man, I am so sorry, because you're like, you know better than to sneak up on a woman. She said it. Did you really?
And she said it with the mom voice.
At which point he said, holy shit, lady, I am so sorry. The gun is a long-distance impact tool. Long-distance impact tool. We can create a little bit of distance. We can let them go. What I really liked was how some of you followed and went to the door. I don't really... Listen, if somebody runs out of your house, don't exit the house after you've chased them out with a gun. But there's nothing wrong with following them to that door and trying to keep eyes on them where they're going to see that kind of stuff, because that's great information, and it's good for you to know that he's not circling around the back, he's going to come in the back of the house, something like that. But some of you did
You can
it.
also see if they're alone. You can also see if
Yep.
everybody's with them.
Getaway cars, stuff like that. One of the funniest things was we thought that maybe somebody would talk their way back into the building and lock the door behind them. And Becky did that. And she did that. She just kept going and going and going and going. And when she got out there, I was like, for God's sakes, would you please quit following them out in the parking lot? And then she opened the door and slammed it in.
About to rip his hand off.
Think about what you're doing, and remember, Fred, we're not cops anymore. So we're not gonna, we're gonna dominate and we're gonna control, but we're gonna control from a distance.
I moved in for a better shot.
When a guy goes down, if he's not looking at you, or if he's not listening, change your angle, make it harder for them to move and present a gun.
In this scenario, participants were closing a gun store when a routine interaction suddenly turned unpredictable. What began friendly quickly became a test of awareness, judgment, and restraint. Different responses, real consequences. This scenario proves one thing: threats don't always announce themselves. That's why responsible carriers choose CCW Safe, to stand with you, guide you, and protect you through everything that follows.